What is accounting period? Accounting period refers to the length of time covered by a financial statement. So what happens if you have a business? What happens? You have regular transactions, irrespective of the timing. You may have transactions in the beginning of the period. You may have transaction in the mid of the period. You may have a transactions at any time in a day. Transaction may happen at any times. Now it is very important to recognize what is accounting period and why it is really needed to associate our accounting to a specific period. Reason being, we need to have a comparisons. For example, you have often because you have to analyze the data, and if the data is not consistent as per the period, then it will be very tough to analyze that. For example, you have to analyze the net profit ratio, and if this net profit is not specific to a particular time frame, then how it will be possible for the analyzers to analyze it? It will be a damn tough. So it is very, very important to have accounting period. The length of the time can be a quarter. It can be anything. For the purpose of comparison, you can have any period. The period of 1 month, the period of 2 months, or period of 3 months. It can be anything. It may be a complete calendar year, or it may be a fiscal year covering 12 months. It can be any period, can be anything. But for the purpose of the comparison, for the purpose of the analysis, you have to have you can say the specific time period. Also, when it comes to the reporting, then reportings is done for a specific time frame. For example, for the financial years 24-25, so the reporting, the data which you're going to report will reflect the timing. They will reflect the period which will start from the 1st April of 2024, and it will end at the 31st March of 2025. It will be very easy for the purpose of the comparisons, and in case we do not have the accounting period, we are simply recording and reporting everything. In that case, it will make no sense, because how would you say that? For example, you have some data which you have to report, and you have not used a specific or constant accounting period. In that case, how would you say that which period this data is relating to, and how would you make comparison with others?